Today, I visited my best friend's house. He is a police officer with a passion for growing grapes. Look at his grapevines. They are so abundant. He grows them in his small yet beautiful yard. In this compact space, he cultivates various grape varieties. Some are already bearing fruit, while others are still in the branch formation stage. To minimize maintenance costs, he has turned his grape yard into a greenhouse to reduce pests. Without a greenhouse, growing grapes can be costly due to the need for pesticides to control pests, especially fungi, which are particularly troublesome during the rainy season. He also enjoys collecting orchids, making his home feel like a little paradise. Just as the saying goes, "My home is my heaven." The heavily fruiting grape variety is the Akademik, originating from Ukraine. It produces large, black, oval-shaped clusters. In terms of taste, this variety is sweet and crunchy. I will make another video once the grapes change color. Well, that's it for this brief video. I hope it inspires all of you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support by clicking the subscribe button.